In this video, I'll show you how to link your PayPal account to your YouTube channel, step by step. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to link PayPal account to your YouTube channel, you first need to make sure you already have a PayPal account. If you don't have one yet, go to the PayPal website and create an account before continuing. The sign-up process only takes a few minutes, and once your account is verified, you will be able to receive payments from viewers or supporters. Once your PayPal account is ready, open your browser and go to paypal.me. This page allows you to create a personal paypal.me link that people can use to send you payments or donations. When the page opens, click the option to create your paypal.me link and sign into your PayPal account using your PayPal email and password. After logging in, PayPal will guide you through setting up your paypal.me profile. You may have the option to upload a profile image and personalize your page. After that, choose your custom paypal.me link. This will be the link you share with your audience, so it's best to choose something simple, clean, and easy for people to recognize. If the link is available, continue with the setup and agree to the terms in order to create your paypal.me page. Once the setup is complete, your PayPal donation link will be generated automatically. Copy that link and keep it ready because you will need to add it to your YouTube channel in the next step. Next, go to YouTube and sign in to the account connected to your channel. After signing in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and select your channel. When your channel page opens, look for the Customize Channel button and click on it to open the channel customization settings inside YouTube Studio. Inside the customization area, click on the Basic Info tab at the top. Scroll down until you see the section where you can add links to your channel. This section allows you to place important links on your channel banner so viewers can easily access them. Click on Add Link. Type a name for the link such as Donate, Support, or Tip Jar, and then paste your paypal.me link into the URL field. You can also rearrange the order of your links by dragging them. Placing your PayPal donation link at the top is usually the best option, because YouTube typically displays the text of the first link directly on the channel banner. This makes the donation option more visible and easier for viewers to find. After everything is set up, click Publish to save your changes. Once the changes are published, visit your channel page to confirm that the link appears correctly on your banner. Now when someone visits your YouTube channel, they will see the link you added, and when they click on it, they will be taken directly to your PayPal page, where they can choose an amount and send you a payment quickly and securely. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.